Hey, you want to know how to win in a bidding war? The key is making sure your offer is as strong as it can be. And what you really need to know is that a pre-approval is a way to get one step ahead of the competition. So, what's a pre-approval? Basically, it's a letter from a loan officer that shows what they're willing to lend you for a home loan. Here's a look at 3 key benefits of a pre-approval. For starters, it helps you know what you can borrow, so it's easy to determine your budget and price point. Then, when you put in an offer on a house, pre-approval shows sellers that you're serious, you're qualified, and you're ready to make a move. And all of those things can give you a competitive edge when you're up against offers from other buyers. Hey, when you're ready to learn more about the home buying process, let's talk. I can help you get started so you're one step ahead of the competition. Give me a call anytime. Jim Starwell, Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. My personal cell phone is 224-627-7581.